So next, other non-specific antidiarrheal drugs. These are absorbents, anti-secretory drugs, anti-motility drugs. First of all, I am coming to antimotility drugs. Codeine. So it is a natural alkaloid. It decreases the GI motility, but this is a banned drug. Okay. Next is diphenoxylate. This is also banned in most countries. Why? Because abuse potential is there. And next is Octreotide. Anyone heard the name Octreotide in any chapter? Endocrine pharmacology, Octreotide. So this is a somatostatin analog which is used in diarrhea due to hormone-secreting tumors of the GIT. So mostly it inhibits the secretion of fibrinogen, VIP, gastrin, insulin. Okay. Next is Loperamide. So this is the important question from diarrhea. Remember this. So this is an opioid receptor blocker. Okay. Loperamide reduces the GI motility and increases the sphincter of the increases the tone of the anal sphincter. It decreases secretion induced by cholera toxin and some other toxins of E. coli.